Hi, I'm Tien and welcome back to the DNN platform training course for ED open source .NET CMS, and we will continue with today 3. I will talk about an overview of DNN admin page. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so here in the day 2 we already installed the DNN9 and running under the IS server on my local hot PC here. And today after you log in successfully into the DNN server admin page here, I will talk about overview of of this page and how many component, how many feature, how many different setting we have to do inside, blah blah here. Okay, here this one is the admin page of the DNN9 version at now. Okay, here on the top we have a navigation. It will display the search feature, the logout, the account information, super user account, and there are some the notification and the warning check message. Okay, here, and this one is the page content of the home page for now here. Okay, we have some the header, we have the logo, the home in navigation, and the text block with image here to introduce the company or some other thing for product and the event. Here we have another section is join the company to interact and learn. There are some Q&A. The link will point into the DNNsoftware.com live site. So if you want to take a look into any Q&A list, you can go to the live site of the DNNsoftware.com to view it. The same thing, we have some blog, the video, shop, webinar, and wiki. It will do the same thing and direct the user to the link posting and in the production server. Okay. On the we have the main content, the footer here, and on the left high on the left hand I have the logo on the top. It will list down the version we are using for the DNN platform. So that what is the .NET version, the server name for for my database. Okay, upgrade to EVOQ version. Here we have the documentation option here. When you click on this link, it will direct you to the documentation center on the online site here. So in case if you have any information is not clear and if you're feeling not confident with this, so you can read this website to find out which one you need and which information you need. Here we have a lot of the information underneath this website. Okay, we have some documentation for the administrator, the content manager, developer, designer, and communication manager here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of role in the using this software. Okay, cool. So now I will close this one, and we have some the information to social sharing, the YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Okay, cool. And here logout button, of course, when we have the user to log in for the admin page or something like that. So we can do some the edit content. Okay, click on logout button here to log out the session you are using to access the website. Okay, cool. This will do the same thing when you click on the logout button on the top menu. So here underneath of logo we have the content. It should be the basic in the system. Okay, I will click on this one and try to see what happened and how many basic we have by default. Okay, so by default we have only homepage active. That means we have only one homepage able viewing in the in the website like sign up. Okay, we have when you take a look into when you select the homepage here in the detail we have the information when you created this website and what is the parent page and the status of this website for now is the homepage is visible. Visible means you can view it under in the you can view with the website at the client side. Okay, and the page type, so we select it either a standard version. Okay, there are something here for shell, and you can go ahead to enter some information for name, title, description, the keyword tag and parent tag, blah blah here. Okay, and after that when you have any change it will display, it will enable the save button here. Otherwise if you don't have any change it will disable the save button. Okay, cool. Here we have another database permission. So here the permission we are able to grant the permission for specific user who can view the website and who can do the editing for the website. Okay. Okay. The advanced task here we have some the module on this page. Okay. Title module. Okay. Leave it by default for now. Cancel button if we back to the previous page. Okay. Here we have some recycle bin. If you go ahead to delete any item in the site, so you can come back to the recycle bin to view and do the restoration. Okay, here we have another feature. You do the setting. We can manage the user, the role, site assets, global asset, theme of the site, the admin log. Okay, I will go through one by one later in another video. Okay, this one is setting. We setting for the whole site, the security, the cell, vocabulary, connector, extension, server, import. Okay, blah here. Okay, role. Okay. Setting shell, vocabulary, extension. Okay. Cool. So I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to watch either I have walked through this DNN admin site and talk about an overview of the DNN9, and we have also see some of the setting and configuration for the website. Okay, I will talk it more detail later in another video. And okay, thank you for watching and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.